Hi there, I'm Mikael Grill, the CEO of Emblasoft. Historically, the telecommunication industry have been relying on passive monitoring to fulfill their service assurance needs. Passive probes have been strategically installed throughout the network, and traffic have been tapped non-intrusively to feed these probes. We believe that there is a better way ahead. By introducing active monitoring, we will give a more precise view of the service KPIs in the network going forward. We believe that the 5G changes the landscape. Quality of service is getting even more important, and there are several hurdles to adopt these old technologies going forward. Encryption is one of them. With the introduction of more end-to-end encryption algorithms, it is virtually impossible to monitor the traffic as you have been doing in the past. Furthermore, tapping is increasingly difficult in the cloud-native environment. It's basically hard to find the traffic to monitor. And on top of that, the dynamics that's coming with cloud-native environment and automatic scaling in and scaling out makes it very hard to track all this traffic like we have been able to do in the past. And on top of that, the data volumes. It is getting increasingly challenging to monitor all the data traversing the network. So we believe there's a better way, and that is by active monitoring, which means that we install hundreds or thousands of active test agents throughout the network. And by doing that, we will get a very precise measurement and view about the KPIs in the network. So that was all from me. If you want to learn more about these things, please contact us at Emblasoft, www.emblasoft.com. Thank you so much.